Hello everyone, welcome to Avidator's 11 Plus exam tutorial series, where we make learning clear and simple. Today we will tackle an essential math skill, ordering and comparing numbers. This skill is key for determining which numbers are larger, smaller or equal, and it'll help you solve math problems with confidence. Let's dive in. Understanding place value to compare numbers. First things first. When comparing numbers, place value is your best friend. Start with the leftmost digit. This is the largest place value and tells us which number is greater. Let's compare 52,834 and 52,947. Both have 52,000, so we move to the hundreds place. Since 9 is greater than 8, 52,947 is the larger number. 1. Start comparing from the leftmost digit. 2. Move to the next digit only if previous digits are equal. 3. Check each place until a difference is found. Next, let's talk about ordering numbers. Ascending order means going from smallest to largest, while descending order is from largest to smallest. Here's an example. When we look at the 10,000s place first, we see that 24,587 is the smallest. Next is 29,432 and then 31,256. So in ascending order, the sequence is 24,587, 29,432, 31,256. 1. Identify the largest place value. 2. Compare each number one place at a time. 3. Arrange numbers in sequence for ascending or descending order. Using symbols to compare numbers. Now let's talk about symbols. The greater than, less than, and equal to symbols help us compare numbers quickly. Remember, the open side of the symbol faces the larger number. Here's a tip. Think of the symbol as a crocodile mouth. The crocodile always wants to eat the bigger number. So for 45,789, 44,789, the crocodile opens toward 45,789. Practice questions. Let's put this into practice. Try these questions on your own before the answers appear. 1. Order these numbers in ascending order. 23,569, 21,756, 23,765. Use the correct symbol as keys to compare 67,403, 67,310. How did you do? Practicing these problems regularly will improve your speed and confidence. Thank you for learning with Avidator. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other 11 Plus exam videos. Keep practicing and remember, mastering numbers is all about practice and patience. See you in the next lesson.